Hello everybody, VW Bubs here, and this is a video on a rare type of train you might have heard about, warbonnets. Now, thanks to my dad for capturing this at his work, this is the local sighting of a rare warbonnet locomotive. Now, to those of you who don't know, warbonnets are locomotives that used to be owned by Santa Fe and still retain the paint scheme, as BNSF has been painting over them in recent years. And as you can see on the 777, it has changed orange a bit on the side. Here's a different shot from more far away. This is the first time I spotted one at the beach, and as you'll hear, I get pretty excited, so turn on the volume, please.